Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a nice weather today, nice sunny day. Unlike yesterday, it was raining and snow. It was raining snow. So today this is our second day here in Yokohama, Japan, in the Raging Spirit, and we're leaving today this afternoon at 4 o'clock. So I still have time to go out. As you can see, I'll show you the Norwegian Spirit, guys. There's the Norwegian Spirit, and that's the terminal in Yokohama. The taxis can just walk around here, and I love this wooden floor. Very nice. Norwegian Spirit and the terminal. There's a helicopter over there, and I will going to the Ferris wheel. Oh, there was a helicopter. I think the airport is nearby. I can see the helicopter over there. It was so noisy. It's nice sunny day today, guys. So let's enjoy the day. Let's have a walking tour. Yesterday we're taking taxi because it's raining. So today I'll show you around the town nearby the pier. So you have an idea what you will see nearby the port. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Welcome to Yokohama Passenger Terminal. It's like New York here. All the trees, all the leaves of the trees are falling. It's so cold here. Train station over there. Okay, Yokohama. A lot of bikes here. I don't know what building is that. I have no idea. I think that's their church. So it's like New York here, Chinatown. Oh, Chinatown is here. I'll go to the Chinatown. Let's go. Oh, we're going to the Chinatown. I made the wrong way. Now I am lost, guys. So I changed my mind, guys. I went here in the Chinatown. I didn't go to the Ferris wheel. So yeah. See what's in here. Chinatown. Nice, they're helping me to take a photo here. These three guys from Japan. They're very polite. Oh, it's a busy street. Oh my god, it's beautiful here. Wow. Last night we went here, but it's so boring. Oh, everybody's open. All the shops are open. See everybody eating here. This famous dami shop for it. You have a lot of I don't know how you call it in English, but it's a chupao in my language. In Filipino language, it's a siopao. And in Chinese, saobao. So, is this a chocolate? Okay. 哦 my god, there's a lot of people here. Ilahan. 需要注意品牌。でっかい釜みたいな。はい。
Kia thì cũng vậy.
It's a big Chinatown, guys. So I want to come back here next time because I don't have enough time now. I regret that I didn't come here yesterday. We went to Don Quixote, but the Don Quixote here is very boring, very small. Hi guys, so mga tag-siupaw. So, siupaw sila natin. Super yummy ang sobaw.
하나 더.
Huge Chinatown. I don't know what's in here. This one nice, oh. This is what I like to go, like a street food, you know, try the local food. Okay, let's go there, the main street now, so we can take the taxi. So this is walking tour. Oh my God, Lina, it's traffic here. See? So as you know now, you want to eat here?
I'm full already.
Yeah. See, if I didn't bring you here, you will not know, right? Because I love to discover places. Let's go. Next time, we are coming back here, Lina. Ooh, so cold. Ina. Chinese? Oh, very big camera. A taxi. There's taxi, oh. Yeah. Welcome to Chinatown. From China. What do you call this one?
Let's go. I don't know. I
This is
forgot.
my favorite.
Your favorite? Let's go.
I eat Xiaobao.
Xiaobao. This is Xiaobao.
Xiaobao.
Let's go.
Singapore is famous also.
That's a chicken, right? Sorry.
Take me a video because this is my vlog.
Already video.
Yeah, this is my vlog.
Shit, I'm like your. I'm like your. Shanghai. Where is Sichuan? Find me Sichuan.
Sichuan chicken?
Sichuan beef. Oh, sorry. All the people standing.
Yeah, no chair. How about this one? Long line.
No long line. Not waste our time. Why they say plenty Xiaobao? Okay. Why you like too much banana? Let's go.
Welcome to China.
Fake Chinese. Fake Chinese.
1、2、3、4、5.
Shit,
Now it's
man.
nothing but champagne.
Oh my god, I want to save money. I want to save money and buy this car. Shit, man. 350 1350